Welcome to preparenext.com. We offer you job details. Today we are listing out 10 of the best jobs that you can do from home. Working from home allows employees to work from home. It simplifies the job for employer as well as gives employee more flexibility in their work. Nowadays, most of the companies are offering this option to their employees. There are benefits to both the labor and the businesses of telecommunicating, and studies show that working from home saves businesses, workers time, money, decreases pressure, and so on. So here are the top 10 work from home jobs. At number 1, online tutor. The internet and innovation have made it possible for the instructors and the student to work remotely. You can also learn something new online while earning some extra income. If you provide online courses to the people who need them, you can increase your income and contribute to the success as well. At number 2, data entry. Data entry is also one of the best work from home jobs. For this course, you only need a basic understanding of computer, MS Excel, etc. The majority of companies hire people to do the data entry for their offices. At number 3, virtual assistant. They provide administrative, specialized, and innovative assistance to organization in numerous fields, including medical care, government, and accounting. As an independent contractor, you can select to work from home or join an organization that allows you to work remotely. At number 4, freelancing work. Another one of the best work from home jobs is freelancing. You may freelance as a digital marketer, content writer, programmer, etc. Working in the area of expertise and exploring your skills is among the best way to develop your career. Most people also work for themselves as freelancer in addition to their regular job, which is a wise choice. A work at home job will also enable you to identify your positive and your negative attributes. At number 5, web developer. Website engineers design and plan websites for individuals and businesses. Moreover, they can use their abilities in distribution, marketing, board counseling, computer system, planning, and different fields. At number 6, translator or interpreter. If you are proficient in English or another language, you could find work from home job. Open position can be found at school, medical clinics, courts, organization, and other public and private institutions. Mediators work in spoken language or communicated via gesture. Interpreter work with written and recorded reports. At number 7, media specialist for social network. It is becoming more important for the organization to have their presence on internet. If you are experiencing utilizing web-based media platform, for example, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you could have telecommunicate by assisting organization with advancing their image and their items through web-based media promoting. At number 8, a writer or an author or editor. The print publishing industry may be declining, but there are still home-based writing, editing, and providing jobs, particularly online. It is possible to become a blogger even if you have no writing experience. Aside from being fun, blogging can also make you money if you write for your own blog and get paid to post on someone else. At number 9, graphic designer. Using computer software to create brochures and advertisement or designing logos and t-shirts could make you good money working at home. You can meet the potential clients via websites such as Fiverr and the 99 Design. Depending on the scope of the project and your experience, you can earn a certain amount. At number 10, digital marketer. It is a job of digital marketer to formulate strategies for how to market a product online. With the right software and app, you can do this job from home very easily. To improve your knowledge and start working in this field, you can pursue a variety of cash courses online. So many options exist for exploring and utilizing your skills from home. Thank you.